While I am recording this video, the latest count of corona cases in India is 20,33,847. This makes India number 3 in total number of COVID cases all over the world. The total cases, which started a few hundreds per day, has now reached a mark of 50,000 cases per day. It seems now we need to learn how to live with this virus. So what can you do to protect yourself and your family from this virus? One of the ways, of course, to build the immunity, and the other way is to get the Corona Kavach. That is a health insurance specially designed for COVID-19. Hi, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy, where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. In this video, I am going to discuss every aspect of health insurance specially designed for COVID-19. With the huge rise in the total number of cases, the government hospitals in India are struggling to take proper care of the patients. On the other hand, the private hospitals are charging a bomb for the treatment. A few days of hospitalization can cost you lakhs. And considering the economic situation where the businesses are down, the last thing you would want is the huge medical expense of COVID treatment. Hence, IRDAI, which is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority in India, has issued guideline on 10 July 2020, where IRDAI has mandated every general and medical health insurance to provide this COVID standard health policy called Corona Kavach. So let's discuss the key features of this Corona Kavach. So the first feature is it is available for individual as well as family floater. This insurance is available for individuals as well as it is available in family floater option, where an entire family can take a single insurance. If we talk about the sum assured, it is in the range of rupees 50,000 to 5 lakh. So you can opt for any plan in the range of rupees 50,000 to 5 lakh. If we talk about the waiting period is 15 days. It means you need to wait for 15 days after taking the policy. So you can only claim the COVID insurance after 15 days of taking this policy. Next is policy period. There are 3 options. You can choose between 3.5 months, 6.5 months and 9.5 months. This also includes your 15 days of waiting period. So the minimum duration of this COVID insurance is for 3.5 months and the maximum duration is for 9.5 months. Next is eligibility age, which is in the range of 18 years till 65 years. So anyone within this range can opt for the policy. Next is pre-hospitalization charges. It covers pre-hospitalization charges incurred before hospitalization up to a period of 15 days. So it can include your expenses like checkup, consultation, etc. Next feature is post-hospitalization charges. This Corona Kavach covers the expenses up to 30 days from the date of discharge from the hospital. Next feature is no room rent capping. Some of the health insurance companies have not kept any cap on the room rent when opted for a single private room. So when you opt for this plan, make sure that there is no room rent capping, which means you can opt for any private room irrespective of its cost. Next feature is Ayush treatment is covered. This Corona Kavach policy covers your Ayush treatment as well, which include your Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. But the treatment has to be taken from the authorized hospital. Next feature is home treatment cover. This policy also covers the home treatment up to 14 days if the patient is corona positive and opted for home treatment. Next feature is digital policy. You can buy this policy online with just few clicks. So you can immediately get your digital copy before you receive the physical copy. Finally, if we talk about the premium, it would vary based on the time duration of the policy as well as other factors like your age. But it is a one-time payment and it starts with as low as rupees 200 to 300. If we talk about the companies offering this Corona Kavach, it is offered by almost all the major health insurance companies like your Star Health, Max Bupa, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, HDFC Ergo Health Insurance, Tata AIG, New India Assurance, etc. So in this video we discussed the various features of Corona Kavach plan offered by the various health insurance companies in India on the guideline of IRDAI. If you have any specific question, do mention it in the comment box. For more relative content on everything about money management, you can subscribe to this channel. Also let me know which financial topic you want me to cover in the future.